Coming up on these Mossbergs. Let's see the price of one of these. Wow.
Discussions
Look at that.
about the M1As and M14.
Yeah.
One of the first customers in the door.
Oh yeah, our friend.
That I have
Look at this
never
one.
talked to him about the M114s ever before about anything.
You did. You actually remember I ran out there and helped out that went out?
I mean, we didn't talk about all the problems.
Oh, he comes in and goes, I'm just turning back to the factory.
Yes. UXY. How about that?
Yeah, I was just like, well, this is something.
And in that Fulton Armory inspection video, one of the first things they talk about
Is the ejection problem.
is the ejection problem because of shitty fucking chambers.
Jeez, look at these.
Like,
So many of them. Look at this one.
Doing all right, sir?
Yeah, how you doing? Look at these. Wow. Look at this white one.